Good morning everyone. Today I am presenting a short video show on International Peace Day. The International Day of Peace or World Peace Day, celebrated annually on September 21st, is devoted to strengthening the ideals of peace both within and among all nations and peoples. At a time when war and violence often monopolize our news cycles, the International Day of Peace is an inspiring reminder of what we can create together. Peace, let's give it a chance. History of International Day of Peace. In 1981, the United Nations General Assembly declared the third Tuesday of September as International Day of Peace. This day coincided with the opening day of the annual sessions of the General Assembly. The purpose of the day was and still remains to strengthen the ideals of peace around the world. 2 decades after establishing this day of observance, in 2002, the Assembly moved the day to be observed annually on September 21st. So, beginning in 2002, September 21st marks not only a time to discuss how to promote and maintain peace among all people, but also a 24-hour period of global ceasefire and non-violence for groups in active combat. Peace is possible throughout history. Most societies have lived in peace most of the time. Today, we are much less likely to die in war than our parents or grandparents. Since the establishment of the United Nations and the creation of the Charter of the United Nations, governments are obligated not to use force against others unless they are acting in self-defense or have been authorized by the UN Security Council to proceed. Life is better in a world where peace exists, and today we look to those who have been peacemakers and peacekeepers to learn what we can each to do individually to make the world a more peaceful place. International Day of Peace Timeline. In 2008, peaceful Iceland. Iceland was ranked the most peaceful country in the world in 2008 according to the Global Peace Index, and they hold that title still today. 1969, A Bed in for Peace. John Lennon and Yoko Ono spent 8 days in bed to promote world peace. The song Give Peace a Chance was recorded during this 8-day period. 1901, Nobel Peace Prize awarded. The first Nobel Peace Prize was awarded in 1901 to the person who shall have done the most or the best work for fraternity between nations, for the abolition or reduction of standing armies, and for the holding and promotion of peace congress. First non-peace movements. The first recorded peace movements were the Peace of God and Truce of God, brought about from the desire to cut violence by limiting the days and times nobility could practice violence. International Day of Peace Facts. Why is International Day of Peace celebrated? We celebrate to recognize the efforts of those who have and are continuing to work hard to end conflict and promote peace. Who created the International Day of Peace? The United Nations created the International Day of Peace to create awareness and promote the ideals of the peace. How do we celebrate Peace Day? Celebrate however you see fit. So long as it is peaceful, there is a minute silence at midday which creates a peace wave across the planet, observing this is a good start. In closing, let us all resolve to be better students in the school of peace, so that our homes and neighborhoods, our countries, and our 21st century can radiate peace. I wish you all a very meaningful and inspiring International Day of Peace. Thank you.